Hello, thank you for coming, hanging out with me for a few minutes. Today I have 10 ways for you to make some money today. How does that sound to you? I hope it sounds great because we're going to start off with number one. Number one is called American Customer Care, Bristol, Connecticut. Customer service, you can make anywhere from $13 to $14 an hour. If you live in the Bristol, Connecticut, click on the link, start the process. Two is called TD Bank, which I know you're familiar with. They're hiring in Auburn, Nebraska. Banking specialist, 100% remote. Virtual banking specialist. Three is called Honey Bar Media. In California, client support specialist, you can make anywhere from 31.2 a year to 37.4 a year, which is 37,400 a year. Four is called Network Dial Center, virtual call center rep, $10 to $16 an hour. Five is called Mary Parker Foundation, Afterschool Enrichment instructor, $10 to $15 an hour. Six is called Hard Knock Strategy in Miami, Florida, and you're going to be a phone agent. You can make up to $18 an hour. Eight is called Salt Solution. Customer service, $9.50 to the penny to $15 an hour. Nine is called John Casablancas Centers in Houston, Texas. Administrative rep, no experience needed. They will train you for the position. 10 is called Marquez Benefit Group, and this is in Phoenix, Arizona. It's a benefit consultant and is 100% remote. You could make, I'm sorry, that sounds not good. You could make anywhere from $12 to $22 an hour. If you like any of these work from home jobs, I got 10 ways of how for you to make money. 10 ways how to make money online with these 10 data entry work from home jobs. Don't forget to share the video if you may know somebody that might need a work from home job, or even better, click on the subscribe button and the notification button. And when I do further videos, you will be the first one to get a notification, and you'll be the first one to check out my new video. So with that being said, I want to say thank you so much for checking out the video. And I hope that any one of these 10 ways for you to make money online with these data entry jobs, I just hope that you make some money, especially with what's going on today. And I'm going to keep bringing videos to you, so don't worry. If any of one of these 10 don't work, I got some more for you, all right? Matter of fact, I'm going to put my playlist on the top of this video. You check it out and see what you find interesting to you, all right? So thanks again. I appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.